Thumbs up the first time you pull the trigger.
Rolling Thunder with revolvers.
You'll shoot one, load with two, shoot two, load, fire those, load three, fire those, load four, fire those, load five, fire those. When you fire the fifth round in the 5-round string, you are done. You may not fire until the person to your left shoots the last shot of his string. So if he's supposed to fire 3 rounds, when he fires his 3rd shot, you immediately start shooting, but you do not shoot until then. You may not fire until the guy to your left fires the last shot of his string, whatever number that is. So if he's got 4 rounds to fire, as soon as he fires his 4th round, you start shooting, but you can't shoot before that. First squad to get all 5 of the last 5 done wins a big prize. I'll tell you what it is. All right, here we go. You'll shoot one, load one. So down the end, you will be the starter. You're the starter on this end. Go! Oh, you fucked up already down there. Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Oh shit, here they come. Ah! Oh my.
That's going to be the best for me.
Go, 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 go! You fire your 5 ring? Yep. Okay. Go, go, go. Hurry up, everybody's waiting on you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
All right, reload. Everybody get a full gun. Everybody get a full gun. Watch out for the forcing comes. They'll be a little hot.